everyone, this is Lavina Tilbani and today we are going to talk about the full moon which falls on the 31st of October. Now this full moon is known as the blue moon. Now in this month we are lucky to have two full moons. It's very rare, and this full moon, this blue moon is going to come after many years. So let's take the advantage of the full moon that is falling on the 31st of this month. On this full moon, we are going to do a ritual which is the abundance check, which I had told you to make during the new moon. Now the abundance check is generally made on the new moon, and once you have made about 2 to 3 checks, if you wish to, you can burn the check. Now why do we burn the check is basically to release it in the universe that we are manifesting the amount that we have written on the check. Now if you wish to keep the checks with you, you are most welcome to do that, but today I'm going to teach you about how you are going to burn this check. Before that, I have to tell you the full moon and the new moon ritual. So on full moon we generally manifest our desires, and we burn the bay leaves and all, in which we write our wishes. On the full moon is the time when we release it. Okay, so what you have to do is, on your bay leaf, write something which you want to release, something which you want to banish from your life, something which you don't want in your life. Now if you don't want negativity, you don't want grief, you don't want ill health, you don't want something, so you write that, you write your name on the bay leaf, write what you want to banish. Okay, and here we are with some special oils. So I have here the money oil, the gold money oil, which is made by me, and I have the protection oil. Okay, so you can choose. If you don't have any of these oils, just put simple olive oil on it, and first write your wish, entwine it with the oil, and if you have some herbs, just sprinkle some herbs on it, and voila, there you are. You're going to burn this. Okay, so you burn the leaf, and this is the special shell that I have in which I burn. So this is the anabolic shell which I have. So if you don't have, you can just burn it in something. So burn all that. You can make as many bay leaves you want. So keep burning all the negativity that you have written on this. Burn them, and these ashes. Now because these are negativity removal rituals, so we have to flush them, or you have to throw them in your dustbin. Okay, so this we don't release it in the universe because we don't want this. Okay, so something which you want, you release. Something which you want to banish, throw it in the dustbin. After you do this, then we are going to talk about the things that we do on the full moon. So you can listen to the full moon meditation, and you can banish. Think about all those things that you want to get out of your life. So think about all those things even while meditating, and try to release. Try to do the forgiveness prayer, and try to release all the negative thoughts that are disturbing you from your friends, family and all. So that is the best day, and since it's the blue moon, it's even more double, it's double powerful. So please do these rituals. Charge your cards outside, so your cards will get charged during this time. You can keep your crystals, you can keep your bracelets, all those things you have to keep outside in the moonlight. You can make moon water, which I've already discussed in the earlier videos. So this is just a reminder, guys. I just want to remind you that you have to do these things for the enhancement of your readings, of your healings, and all that you wear, the bracelets and all which you have got from me or from anyone else. And last but not the least, let us talk about burning the check, the abundance check of all those people who have made the check with me. Be ready to burn the check. So let's burn, and keeping the intention in mind. Now whatever amount you have written, keep that intention in mind. We are burning the check, and we are releasing it to the universe. Okay, so now this thing, I'm going to keep it here because we are not going to throw this in the dustbin. We are going to release it in the universe. So this is what I do on the full moon. Okay, so I am burning this check, and whatever amount that I have written on this, it's going to be released, and the universe will take care of what it has to give me. Okay, so once this gets completely burnt, we are going to release it. Now if you feel that your check has not burned properly, you can do it again. Okay, now my check is completely burned, so my wish is going to be granted. So guys, let's release this in the universe. We burn the check, it's time now that we release it in the universe. So what you will do is go towards your balcony or anywhere outside where you can just burn out these ashes. Now I am going to kind of just see that these ashes are blown easily into the universe. So you just manifest that whatever amount that I have written on the check is released in the universe and all my wishes come true. Here I am, I have blown all the ashes out of my balcony, and I pray and I manifest that all my wishes come true, and all that I have written on the check, the amount that I have written on the check, I get that in many folds. So I want all of you to do this on the full moon. Since it's the blue moon, please take advantage of this and manifest your desires. See you soon. Bye.